is Anna Stevens. I am here to talk to you about what a great resource Ken Huey has been to me in marketing and monetizing my website. I came to Ken in despair because I had been working on my website for 8 months and had not earned $1 and was actually ready to give it up because I could not find a person who could both help me with web design and marketing, and I just, couldn't find the right person to help me out until I got put in touch with Ken, and he has been working with me for 3 months now, holding my hand in the process of redeveloping and relaunching my website so that it can now make money, and also he has been working on it for search word optimization. So I would wholeheartedly recommend anyone who has a website or a blog or something in the techie arena to talk to Ken about your ideas and see what he can do for you. But I have been very impressed with his quality of work and his knowledge just of, the Google and, the whole kind of internet industry. I mean, I definitely admit I'm not a technical person, so I feel a lot more comfortable and confident that I have somebody helping me now that knows the ins and outs of what Google likes and doesn't like and everything like that. So, anyways, I'd be happy to talk to anybody who is interviewing Ken or anything of that nature, but check out my website too to see his work. It's bargainsandbuckhead.com, and thank you, Ken. I definitely have appreciated everything you've done for me so far, and I look forward to continuing to working with Ken to making my site bigger and better in 2010.